How to monetize your TikTok account. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. Once you're in the profile page, at the top right corner, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on it. Click on the option of TikTok Studio. Once you're on this page, here you'll find different section. Head over to the section of monetization. Click on it. If you have at least 10,000 followers, 1 lakh video views in the last 30 days, and you are over 18, you can apply to be part of the Creator Fund. Once accepted, you will earn money based on the performance of your videos, views, engagement, and more. It's a great way to start earning directly from your content. Collaborate with brands that align with your content. Promote their products and get paid. Authenticity is the key to maintaining trust with your audience. Use TikTok to promote your own products or services. Add a link to your store in your bio and showcase what you offer through engaging content. Go live and earn through TikTok's live gifting feature. Followers can send a virtual gift that convert into real money. Start with just 1,000 followers. Promote products through affiliate links. Earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. Perfect for fitting into your niche content. As your influence grows, offer paid salas to other creators or brands is a great way to monetize while helping others grow. Monetizing TikTok in 2024 is easier than ever with these strategies. Subscribe for more tips and check out my next video to master TikTok's algorithm. Thanks for watching.